Hello, Vera friends. I am Andrea Cavalcanti from LoveItByAndrea, and today I am going to show you all the products that I chose for my FabFitFun winter box. Let's start this video saying that this is not sponsored. I was once an affiliate, but not anymore. But I love this box, so I really wanted to show you guys what I got. If you are new to FabFitFun, and also if you want to try the FabFitFun for the first time, I'm gonna leave a link on the descriptions for my blog post. So there I'm gonna explain to you all the different types of subscription and how FabFitFun works. I think that there it's saying that I am still an affiliate, but I am not anymore. Okay, I am a select member. That means that I pay for my subscription for the whole year. Okay, also they offer some ads-on. I'm gonna start with the ads-on now because I'm really excited about the products that I chose for on my ads-on. Actually, I chose 4 products. One is not here. It was a set of 3 small bowls from Pure One. It's just like those small ones that you serve like dip in sauce, this kind of stuff. But I got this other product from Christoph Robin. This is a hair mask. I love this brand, the cleansing shampoo, and so since I love the cleansing shampoo, the purifying shampoo, so I decided to try their hair mask. This other product, it is Greek yogurt foam cleanser from Collagen. I think that I already bought this one because I got a sample in one of my subscriptions boxes, and I think that it was on my Ipsy bag, and I totally love it, so I got the full bottle. And this one here is amazing. It came in one of my boxes, and I think it was on the spring box. I think so, and I love it. It smells like amazing. This is an exfoliator from Harper Ari, and it's a exfoliating. I didn't say the name right. The product. It's the exfoliating sugar cubes. You just like after you finish your shower, you grab like 1 cube and you start like rubbing on your skin. Afterwards, your skin like it's exfoliated, but I don't know how to explain. But it's really amazing. I really love it. So I got another one, and this is all for the ads-on. So now let's go to the box products. You may see like this teddy bear here. This is my little guy's teddy bear. He came here in the room to see what I was doing, so he saw that I was filming for you guys, and I think that he wanted to be in the video, but he was shy. But I asked him, can I have Teddy? And he said, yeah, mom, is he going to be on the video? I'm like, so please show some love to Teddy with a thumbs up. Okay, so the box, it is this one here. I love how festive it is with all that is happening now. Once you open your box, you're gonna see that you have a bunch of coupons and everything. So, and also there is a magazine with interviews and everything, and with all the products that it was for you to choose, and explain to you which was the choices for all members, what was the choices for select members, and what were their picks for us. Okay, so the first product that I chose, it was the Summer and Rose Robe. It feels soft. Oh my goodness. It feels good. It feels good. I'm gonna be finishing this video wearing it, okay? Okay, let's do it. So when you are choosing your products, you can add more products from that choice at no extra cost. But for the first choice, that it was this robe, I didn't choose any extra, but you can. I'm gonna be leaving here all the choices for that customization, okay? So for the first customization, it was this robe, and I didn't choose any other product. So let's move on to the second one that I chose. Caudalie, the Vinosource. This is a hydrating face cream. I already tried this one. This is why I chose it, and I love Caudalie products. I love their beauty Elixir. Oh my goodness, I cannot live without it. And I didn't choose any other products from the second customization. For the third customization, I chose the Laura Geller palette. This is the cinnamon and spice, and this is the palette. See how beautiful it is? It's just perfect. I really love it. And I chose a product that I paid extra, that it was, where is it? Oh, here. The Ilia, I think that it pronounced like that. Let me show you guys. And hopefully I'm gonna like it. And this is the, and the shade is After Midnight. So the fourth selection, I chose this hair mask, another hair mask. I don't know why, but now I am obsessed with hair care. So I got this other one here from this brand, War? I don't know. It smells good. And also I did choose to buy two other products. They are basically the same. They are two socks, but one of them is this one here from Kate Spade, that I love to have, like this kind of socks that they are like kind of that they grab like this, you know what I mean? They have like those grips on the bottom, and I like to have those sometimes to walk around the house during winter time, and also to sleep. And I chose to buy this other one here, that this is what they call a cabin socks. So this one is like bigger, and let's try it.
So it's like that.
The fifth category, it was the only, no, and the fifth and the sixth category, they were like the only ones that I didn't like that much, but it was it was okay. So I got from the fifth category, I got this Botanic Beauty Guardian Angel eye mask. So let's see, I will try them and let you guys know on my Instagram, okay, where I usually do some reviews about beauty products. From the sixth category, I chose the Vanilla Bean Lip Scrub from Wish, and the last two products, it was the products that FabFitFun chose for me. They chose one of their selections for me. It was from London Town. This is a Get Well Nail Recovery. It has AHA, vitamin B5 and C, and other strengthener that helps to hydrate and restore the nail surface and visibly fortify nail plate. Really like it, especially now from winter. And the last product that I got, it was from Nor, I think that I pronounced it right. I think that it's a French name. Who knows? I got those two, no, 3 scrunchies. Oh, with animal prints. How I started this video and how I am ending this video. For the past, I think 3 or 4 seasons, they are offering you some deals at the end of your customization at a discounted price. I never chose any product from this category, but this time I wanted to try this trio from Living Proof, and guess what? It's a hair product. I told you that I am obsessed with her hair now. So it's this Restore Conditioning Shampoo and this Repair Leave-In, and I paid like, what did I pay? $19 for these 3 products. I just wish you guys all to stay safe, but I hope you guys like this video. If you like it, please don't forget to give a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and say on the comments down below which product that I chose that you said, Andrea, no, why did you choose that? Okay, so I know that I flopped on that product. So see you next time. Bye.